les journalistes, avec la population. Bonjour.
My name is Philip Shumawachia. I'm an assistant superintendent of police in Kenya.
C'est l'Irélé, monsieur Philippe. Il travaille avec les missions MSS Kenya.
I wouldn't like to talk much, but I just want to agree with what the boss has said. We are going to implement that.
Pas vouloir parler en pile. Il est d'accord avec les chefs commissariat Sainte-Marie. Nous prenons attaquer ça vient. Pas inquiéter, s'il vous plaît.
What's up, beautiful people? Welcome to this channel. It's _Kisaka is my YouTube channel name. If you are new to this channel, do me a favor by subscribing, liking this video, commenting, and also sharing this video out. To my 10 subscribers, I appreciate your efforts for always coming back to watch my videos. And big up to all my Caribbean fans, family and friends, especially fans from Jamaica. Haiti, one of the Caribbean nations, has been on the radar or on the media almost on a daily basis. On each and every day, something happens in Haiti. There are some days that gangs strike. There are some days that the Haitian National Police and the multinational security support, being led by the Kenyan police and the Jamaicans and the Belize police, counteract the attacks, etc. And some of the news that is out there, especially on social media such as YouTube, at times something might have occurred like 4 days ago, and then you get to hear right now, or maybe you might get to hear about it 4 months. So I've decided to be going through some of these online media so that I can get in the information upper hand. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys some of the things that are going on the positive side, what the multinational security support have been able to achieve at this point, and at the same time, what the gangs are trying to do. So, starting with, there's a media station known as The Star. It's a Kenyan news media station. Recently, it reported about 2 positive things. On the 30th November 2024, this year, there was joy that engulfed Linkat in Pontresande because a new police station was being reopened. This is a police station that was there and had been vandalized because of gang or armed groups shenanigans. But the MSSs, the multinational security forces, that is being led by the Kenyan forces, the Jamaican forces, and the Belize, were able to regain it back. And it was joy, it was music. The people of that town were jumping around and singing to welcome the move of reopening that police station. And just after the celebration, the following day, that is on Sunday, 1st December, the multinational security forces, together with the Haitian National Police, were able to intercept a truck that had been hijacked by some of the gang members. They thought maybe the multinational forces will not counteract in they won't face an overwhelming force, but they were really faced and they were gunned down. But none of the gang members or the MSS's force succumbed. It was only injuries, and most of the injured persons were the gang members. They managed to run away, but they went away with injuries. So these are great moves. And you know, some of these gangs are trying to go north, upwards to the northern side of Haiti. You know, Port-au-Prince is on the southern side of Haiti, and the multinational security force, ever since they flattened one of the bases of Haiti gang leader Barbecue. So some of these gangs members are trying to find a way to infiltrate other areas. You can see in one of the upscale neighborhood in Port-au-Prince, they were trying to infiltrate, going to cause havoc, to kill people, and they were also intercepted because with the patrols that the MSSs are putting in the random patrols, they tend to look at the IDs, look at the phone, look if search to see if one is carrying weapons with them, etc. So these kind of patrols are bearing fruit. Also, the United States, before Donald Trump, or rather before the election, sending some equipments to the Haitian National Police and the MSSs. So they are working in hand. Also, you know, the roads leading from the northern side connecting Port-au-Prince, most of them have been blocked by the most of these armed groups or the gangs. So that is where the problem is at the moment, because there are some people even who are in the northern side, who are in the southern side, a town like Jacmel, who would wish to go up to travel northwards, but they can't. And most of them were using aircraft or airplanes as a means for traveling. But ever since the gangs started shooting at the airport at Port-au-Prince, it was closed down, and it is believed that maybe in the course of December 2024, they'll open it up. And it is sad that that is because that is the major airport. It has now been closed, and the gangs are making their way, are trying their best to go to other places. Like recently in the northern part of Haiti, some gangs were intercepted. Around 4 of them were intercepted. They are coming from Port-au-Prince, and they are trying to go northwest. You know what the media has been portraying, it's not the whole of Haiti is actually taken over by gangs. Port-au-Prince is the only city, or rather the place or town, that is infiltrated with gangs. So over almost 80% of it is controlled by gangs.
Gunfire rings out over Port-au-Prince, Haiti's capital of 2.8 million people, where over 300 gangs battle relentlessly for control over the city. Gangs now control 80% of the capital, each with their own expanding territories, backed up by young men wielding American military-grade weapons. The police are outgunned and outnumbered.
So the MSSS force are trying their best to avoid or to counter their effect. So this is a good move, and if they continue like this, also, you can see when this police station was reopened, the people were happy, and it is turning out like the people, most of people don't like these gangs. It is like these gangs are just out there spreading a lot of rumors, and you know they are using social media to do this, because like Barbecue is in social media. Izzo at one point had a YouTube channel, and it had to be closed down. He was even about to be given a YouTube plaque, before I think some people complained about it, and the channel was totally removed.
Izzo is one of the powerful gang leaders.
Still in his 20s, he has unleashed an onslaught of murder and kidnappings and seized control of Port-au-Prince's waterways, and even the Palais de Justice, the highest seat of the Haitian judicial system. With automatic weapons, they raided the building, stealing evidence, weapons and money.
Izzo accumulated a considerable social media following, to the extent of even getting a silver plaque button from YouTube before being banned.
So they are using online media to stay afloat, and using a lot of fake news, etc. But the MSSs are really trying. Hopefully, we'll wait and see. We are hoping that Trump is gonna really support this, even though Barbecue was on record in some of the video saying that he wishes that Trump will leave Haiti to be on their own. So these are some of the happenings that are going on, and currently, there's hunger crisis because Haiti, a country of around 12 million people, around 5.4 million people are in a hunger crisis. 700,000 people being displaced, and at the moment, the gangs are trying their best to recruit children into these gangs so that these can be they can be a continuity of this mayhem. So kudos to the MSSS. They should keep on, and also with the community policing, the members of the public are now teaming up with the MSSS. And the MSSS are also opening something known as FOB. FOB, that is, they are setting up the police stations, etc., that were closed there, are opening them up. The FOB is initial for forward operating bases. By also, they are scaling up operations, aiming up to flash the gangsters.
Les journalistes avec nous, population, bonjour!
My name is Philip Shumawachia. I'm an assistant superintendent of police in Kenya.
C'est l'Irénée, monsieur Philippe. Il travaille avec les missions MSS Kenya.
I wouldn't like to talk much, but I just want to agree with what the boss has said. We are going to implement that.
Il pas voulu parler en pile. Il est d'accord avec les chefs commissariat Sainte-Marie. Nous prenons attaquer ça vient. Pas inquiéter, s'il vous plaît.
I know the situation that you are in. You are not living in your homes just because of the gangs. And we came from Kenya to come and assist the Haiti National Police to deal with these gangs. And I want to assure you, we are going to work closely with these guys and we shall solve that problem. Just like we did with the CAFPay, we are also going to do the same with Savien. Don't worry about that one.
Mon chef l'a dit, il connaît la situation, il connaît le problème de la population gay. Nous allons finir le problème. Nous sommes sortis Kenya parce que nous remercions, nous avons besoin de finir le problème bandit. Nous allons finir le problème même de la CAFPay.
So, just go back to your homes. We are going to address that issue of CAFPay with this guy. Don't be worried. We are going to do that. We are going to deal with that problem.
Mon chef, il connaît la population, besoin de retourner la caille. Ça vient. Nous allons attaquer, pas inquiéter. Il besoin d'aller la caille. Nous allons temps parce que nous besoin de plan.
Thank you so much.
Merci un peu. Monsieur, il content à rencontrer la population, mais la population est contente.
Nous avons besoin de planification, bonne planification pour y orienter ça vient. C'est ça le dit. Il dit nous encore que nous allons attaquer ça vient bientôt, tant que Jean-Wem te dit. Jusqu'à présent, c'est ça.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a collaboration between the Kenyan police officers in Haiti, or in general the MSSS, together with the Haitian National Police, addressing some of the people at a place known as Ponte Sunday. And you can see one of the police officers, Kenyan police officers, speaking in English, and his counterpart translating it in French. And also the Haitian National Police speaking in Creole of Haiti.
Dessalines, tout sous plan direction départementale la police là. Très bientôt, très bientôt, la police a commencé à faire opération sous Rivière. Moi-même déjà planifié pour me gagner moun dans l'équipe qui pour aller Rivière. Nous connaissons que dans toute bagarre qu'a fait, il y a un agencement que vous êtes obligé de faire pour faire ça pour faire. Donc nous avons une phase côté que nous avons compilé toute matière nécessaire que nous avons besoin pour nous monter la rivière. Moi, je nous garantis, mes amis, et DDA va garantir que très bientôt, ça vient à une histoire passée.
With raids, etc. If this keeps on going this way, I think they'll win this war. This war will be won. So kudos to the MSSS team, and I'm hoping for the best. Also, the expatriates and all the Haitians living abroad, they need to support this mission. So cheers, guys. This has been the video for today. If you have not subscribed to this channel, do me a favor by hitting the subscription button, liking this video, and also leave your sweet comment. Until next time, God's blessings.